I tried Shakepay card wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to try the Shakepay card wallet app for 7 days, I expected it to be just another way to buy and sell Bitcoin. But the shocking truth? It's one of the simplest and most rewarding ways to actually use your crypto in everyday life, especially if you live in Canada. The first thing that stood out was how fast I could get started. I signed up, verified my account, and got access to both Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets. Within minutes, I could buy crypto using my debit card or bank transfer. The real magic, though, came with the Shakepay card. Every time you make a purchase, you earn Bitcoin cashback, real Bitcoin, not points. During my 7-day test, I used the card for groceries, coffee, and gas. And every single time, a little bit of Bitcoin landed in my account instantly. It's a fun way to grow your crypto stash just by spending like you normally do. Most people get this wrong. They think you have to trade actively to earn from crypto. But Shakepay proves that you can build your holdings passively just through daily purchases. Plus, the Shake feature adds a playful twist. Each day you open the app and shake your phone, you earn tiny Bitcoin rewards, and the streak bonuses make it surprisingly addictive. What really impressed me was the zero-fee model. Shakepay doesn't charge fees for deposits, withdrawals, or trades, which is rare in this space. The only downside? The app is currently available only in Canada, and it supports just Bitcoin and Ethereum. By the end of my 7 days, I realized the shocking truth: Shakepay isn't just a wallet, it's a lifestyle tool. It makes crypto simple, fun, and rewarding, even for beginners. If earning Bitcoin passively while you spend sound appealing, Shakepay might be the most underrated app in crypto right now.